Yo, do you remember where you were the first time you heard a rage beat? I do. I was in the gym. You feel me? I was in there lifting some weights. You feel me? Getting swole on these things. Boy, I was lifting the weights like 400. I could knock a treadmill over with my strength.
Boy, if you don't.
Okay. Actually, I was just slightly jogging on the treadmill, but I digress. I had my headphones on and Apple Music on shuffle, and then this song came on. At first, I didn't know what the hell I was listening to or where it was going. I just thought Apple Music accidentally traveled to some random future-based playlist. But wait, I looked at my phone and I was like, Trippie Redd? Playboi Carti? What in the Coachella is going on in here? On first listen, I thought this gotta be like a DJ Festival trap remix of one of their songs. And that's pretty cool and all, but not the vibes I'm usually on when I'm in the gym trying to get swole on him. Y'all talking about?
Stop the cap.
However, right before I was about to hit that skip button, the most beautiful ratchet ass drums I've ever heard dropped over that EDM melody. When I came to, the first thought that I had was, I have to make a rage beat. But before I did, I decided to do some research. First, I listened to the rest of Trippie Redd's Trip at Night album. Next, I listened to a bunch of rage rap playlists on YouTube. And lastly, I fell down a rabbit hole of YouTube tutorials, probably from some of you that are watching, to pick up a few gems from other producers. Ah, that's interesting. So Mr. Rage was actually a cymatic loop from a future-based pack. Interesting. I learned that thanks to Aiden Kenway, by the way. Definitely subscribe to that man now. After that, I felt it was safe to assume that most rage beats are like a crazy hybrid of future-based style pads, mixed with the hazy vibes of cloud rap, super catchy hyperpop / video game synth leads, and Pierre Bourne or Zaytoven type drums. I got this. Tempo set at 155. Let's cook. The first pad is a preset for Silence courtesy of Aiden Kenway. Next is Flex. We're stacking the pad with a preset called Heavenly Bills. We're stacking the pad once more with another preset from Silence called Dance Lead. Now we got an arpeggio from Analog Lab called Filter Sweep Art. For the high synth, we got an Analog Lab preset called Bend Me? Let's stack that thing with another high synth and morphine called Look Ma, No Filters. This needs something dirty from Serum. Yeah, that's a preset from Splice called Growl. For the drums, we need a heavy 808. Nice short release. More drums. Last but not least, we got some random ass sound effects from Splice. Nice little texture. And now, the final beat. I've been giving a lot of thought to my music goals this year, and I really want to move out of my comfort zone. That includes using sounds that I've never used before, experimenting with vibes and genres that I've never tried before. Should be fun. By the way, what are your music goals this year? Share them down below in the comments. I would love to see them. The hell? Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Talk to you soon. Yeah, that part. Peace. Peace.